Phrase 1. Dawn upon someone. Meaning. For a fact, to become apparent to someone. For something, to be suddenly realized by someone. Example. On the way home, it dawned on me that I had never returned your call, so when I got home I called immediately. Then it dawned upon me that I was actually going to have the job. Phrase 2. Go back to the drawing board. Meaning. To return to the planning stage, so that a failed project can be planned again. Example. I thought these problems went back to the drawing board once already. These plans have to go back to the drawing board. Phrase 3. A hand in something. Meaning. A part in establishing or running something. Example. I will not let Jane have a part in this project. I would like to have a hand in the planning process. Phrase 4. Tie one on. Meaning. To get drunk. Example. The boys went out to tie one on. They laid one on, but good. Phrase 5. Would you care to? Meaning. A polite phrase introducing an inquiry as to whether someone wishes to do something. Example. Sue, care to go for a swim? Mary, not now, thanks. John, would you care to step out for some air? Jane, oh, I'd love it. Phrase 6. Not take no for an answer. Meaning. Not to accept someone's refusal. Example. Now, you must drop over and see us tomorrow. We won't take no for an answer. I had to go to their party. They just wouldn't take no for an answer. Phrase 7. Bust ass out of some place. Meaning. To get out of some place in a hurry. Example. Bob busted ass out of the classroom and headed for home. I had to bust ass out of the house and run all the way to school. Phrase 8. In black and white. Meaning. Of an agreement, contract, or statement, official, in writing or printing. Example. I have it in black and white that I'm entitled to 3 weeks of vacation each year. Phrase 9. Fink out on someone or something. Meaning. To decide not to cooperate with someone or something. Example. Come on, don't fink out on us now. Bob finked out on the plan. Phrase 10. In a twitter. Meaning. In a giddy state. Silly. Example. Don't get yourself in a twitter. We were all in a twitter over the upcoming event.